For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
After testing positive for coronavirus last month, Bollywood actor Abhishek Bachchan has recovered from the disease. He was discharged from the hospital, the actor announced on Saturday. The superstar was admitted to Mumbai's Nanavati Hospital on July 11. He tweeted, "A promise is promise. This afternoon I tested COVID-19 negative. I told you guys I'd beat this." The superstar was admitted to Mumbai's Nanavati Hospital on July 11. Riya's lawyer Satish Mani Shinde shared a picture of a note of gratitude written by Sushant on Riya's notebook, where he has expressed gratitude for his life and the presence of Riya's family in his life. Lending clarification on the names mentioned in the note, Riya said, "And this is his handwriting, Lillu is Shoik, Bebu is me, Sir is my dad, Mam is my mom, Fudge is his dog." She also shared the late actor's zipper with Chichore written on it, which is with her. The actress claimed that these two are the only property she possesses that belongs to Sushant. Disha Salian, a talent manager who worked with Sushant Singh Rajput, died days before Sushant. A friend of Disha has shared information about the night of her death. Disha fell from the 14th floor of a building days before Sushant died by suicide. Disha's friend has said that she had locked herself in a room before she was discovered. Rapper Badshah was grilled by the Mumbai police for over 9 hours in connection with probe into a racket which creates and sells fake social media followers and likes, and an investigation is still underway. The CIU started probing the racket after Bollywood singer Bhumi Trivedi found that somebody had created her fake profile on social media and complained to the police. Rana married Mihika in traditional Andhra wedding style, which was held at Rana's family property, the Ramanaidu Studios. The Roka ceremony was held there on May 21st, 9 days after Rana virtually proposed to his bride. Many stars from the Tollywood industry, along with their family and relatives, attended the wedding. Former Air Force pilot Gunjan Saxena is impressed with Pankaj Tripathi's performance as her father in her upcoming biopic, Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl. Taking to Instagram, Gunjan lauded Pankaj for his work. Father-daughter duo. Respect, Pankaj Tripathi. You nailed it. Kudos. The most simplistically portrayed father-daughter bonding, she wrote in a post, sharing a video of Pankaj speaking about his role in the film. The film stars Janhvi Kapoor and Gunjan. Actress Sara Ali Khan has shared a new picture from her holiday. Sara and her brother Ibrahim Ali Khan are currently on vacation. On her Instagram stories, Sara posted a picture of herself standing on the seashore watching a sunset. Unlike her post from the previous day, she was wearing a mask. She attached stickers that read "Spread Joy," "Mask On," and another sunset photo to her post. Actor Sameer Soni, who was a close friend of Sameer, has opened up about his last meeting. Sameer recalled how they had met up last week and discussed an incident that had taken place back in June. Sameer recalled how Sameer was his close friend, that they connected on the sets of Dil Kya Chahta Hai. Sameer says that Sameer was never a quitter but had his highs and lows. Hina Khan is the new Nagin of Indian television, and the actress says working in the show was unlike anything she has ever done before. Hina, who has been cast as the shape-shifting serpent protagonist in Nagin 5, says the show is far removed from her usual family soap experience. "Honestly, I felt like a baby again. Although I have an experience of a good 11 years now, I felt like a baby because Nagin is not like a normal family drama soap. It is a very technical show," she said.